If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Today we are going to learn the topic concatenate in Excel. So let's start our work. In this topic we are going to cover this 11 points. That is, what is concatenate function, location, syntax, concatenating the value of several cells, concatenate cells with space, comma, hyphen, etc., concatenating a text string and cell value, concatenating a text string and a formula calculated value, an operator to concatenate cell, difference between an operator and concatenate function, concatenate columns in Excel, and the last one, concatenate a range of cell. Fine. So let's move towards our explanation part. So with the help of this function, that is concatenate function, we can combine the contents of two or more cells. This function joins separate piece of text into one item. We can join up to 30 value together, that is 30 piece of text, and get one single text string. Where it is located? It is located in Formula tab, Function Library Group, Text Function, Concatenate. Fine. And what is the syntax of concatenate function? Is equal to concatenate in bracket text1, comma, text2, close the bracket. Means is equal to concatenate in bracket text1 to text 30. Means we can add 30 value, 30 piece of text. Fine. Text. The text is text string, cell reference of formula trying value. Now we will learn how to concatenate the value of several cells with some example. So let's move ahead. You can see column 1, column 2 and concatenated text. Fine. Here I have applied the formula. So the first one is simple concatenate formula. That is, we have combined the value of cell B17 and C17. Fine. So how we did is equal to concatenate in bracket the first column B17, then comma, second column, that is C17, close the bracket. Fine. Means here we combine the value without any delimiter. Fine. So let's move ahead. The second is Supriya Singh. Here we have enter the space. Means we separate the concatenated value with space by entering space. You can see in formula bar is equal to concatenate in bracket B18, our first column, then comma, we have enter the space. See, I have highlighted. In inverted comma, we have enter the space, then comma, C18, that is column 2. Fine. Close the bracket and we got the result, Supriya Singh. Fine. So our third example, in third example we have separated the concatenated value with comma. See, check the formula bar is equal to concatenate in bracket B19. B19 is our column 1, then comma, here in inverted comma we have entered comma, then comma, and a column 2, that is C19, close the bracket, we got the result. Fine. So tea, comma, coffee, that is column 1, comma, column 2. Fine. In our next example, we have concatenate the value with the help of hyphen. Check the formula bar is equal to concatenate in bracket column 1, that is B20, comma, in inverted comma, hyphen, comma, column number 2, that is C20, and close the bracket and enter. We got the result. Means column 1 hyphen column 2. Fine. Let's move to our next example. Here we have separated the concatenated value with the colon. Fine. Just check the formula bar is equal to concatenate in bracket B21 in inverted comma, colon, then comma, C21, close the bracket, we got the result. That is price rupees 30. In the next example, we concatenated a text string and cell value. Means we will use it to concatenate various text string to make the result more meaningful. Check the example. First project completed. What we did, see the formula bar is equal to concatenate in bracket B22, that is column number 1, then comma, enter some space, inverted comma, space, then comma, C22, that is column number 2, then again comma, in inverted comma, space, completed, and bracket. We got the result. So first column and second column and some text string. So we have concatenated the text string and cell value. Fine. Let's move towards our next example. Here what we did, we are going to concatenate a text string and a formula calculated value. Means to make the formula written value more understandable for user, we can concatenate it with a text string that explain what the value actually is. Here check the example. Here is a text string and this is formula. We have concatenated the value with text string and a formula calculated value. With the help of this formula, we got the result, that is today's date. Fine. So check the formula is equal to concatenate in bracket inverted comma, today's date is comma, this is a formula, text bracket today, comma, inverted comma, dd hyphen mmm hyphen yy, close the bracket and just enter. Now we got today's date. 7 December is a formula written value. Fine. If I enter this formula tomorrow, then I will get the result. Today's date is 8 December 21. Fine. See, this is our concatenated text. If you don't want the formula like this, just check the formula box. If you don't want the formula in cell, then what you will do, just copy, go to the desired location, then paste special value, OK. Now you will get the result as if you have typed the text. Fine. At this moment, I just delete this. Okay. With this example, we have covered the concatenating the value of several cells, concatenate cells with space, comma, hyphen, etc. Then concatenating a text string and cell value, and concatenating a text string and a formula calculated value. Fine. So let's move ahead to our next topic, that is to our next point, that is an operator to concatenate cell. Fine. See, with the help of this AND operator, we can get the same result which we got by using concatenate function. See, this is a concatenated text and this is a result which I got by using AND operator. So how I did? Check in formula bar is equal to column number 1, that is B30 and C30, means it will combine the value of column number 1 and column number 2 by using AND operator. Check the next example is equal to B31 and inverted comma space and C31. In concatenated function, what we did, concatenate bracket column 1, enter the space and column 2. Here what we did is equal to column 1, use the AND operator, enter the space and C31. We have used the AND operator. Fine. We got the same result as we achieved in concatenate function. Fine. Check the next example. Tea, coffee. Check the formula bar is equal to B32 AND operator, inverted comma and C32. Fine. We got the same result as concatenated text. Check the next example is equal to B33 AND operator in inverted comma hyphen and C33. Same result as concatenated text. Similarly, I have used the AND operator at the time of colon also. Fine. In this example, that is first project completed, what I did is equal to column number 1, that is B35 AND operator, enter the space, AND operator, then column number 2, that is 335, again AND operator and text string, that is in inverted comma space completed. Fine. We got the same result. Fine. Next is with the help of AND operator, we can combine the text and the formula calculated value. So how we did is equal to the text string, enter the text string inverted comma, today's date and then formula. So we got this result. So just compare the result. We got the same result. The only difference is in first part we have used the concatenate function and here we have used the AND operator. Fine. Means we have combined the value by using AND operator. Fine. See, you must be thinking that what is the difference between AND operator and concatenate function. So the main difference between concatenate and AND operator is the 255 string limit of the concatenate function, and for using an operator there is no such limitations. So except this, there is no difference between these two, nor is there any speed difference between concatenate and add formula. Fine, we get the same result, but this is the only difference. Fine. So next move ahead, that is concatenate column in Excel. See, concatenating two or more column, enter the formula in first cell and then copy it down to other cell by dragging the fill handle. You will see in first cell I have mentioned the formula is equal to concatenate column first, that is first name B47, then comma, enter the space in inverted comma, then comma, second column, that is last name column C47, bracket close and enter. I got this result. Now what I will do, I will just drag this fill handle down. Got? So I got the same result. Means I have dragged the formula to get the result. Fine. Here we have concatenate column in Excel. Fine. The next point is concatenate a range of cell. So how we are going to do is in column number 1 I have mentioned the numbers. See in home tab you will see this is all numbers. Now what I am going to do, I am going to concatenate this range into one cell. So how I will do it is equal to concatenate, hold control button, click on cell. Cell number 1, cell number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Close the bracket. Now you will see this complete range got concatenated. Fine. See, this value is text string. Means whichever method you use, the concatenated value which is there in C56 is a text string. You must have noticed it is aligned left in cell, although each of the original value is number. The concatenate function always return a text string regardless of the source data type. Fine. So here I have completed all the topics related to concatenate function. I hope you have understood this topic. Practice well. Check each and every point. In case of any doubt, just write in comment box.
If you like my video, just hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Aloki the Learning Space. Thank you.